I'm going to show you a little trick. This handle right here, sometimes when you put them in, the hole in the toilet is a little bigger. So when you stick them in there, they have a tendency to be loose, even when you tighten them up. So the handle will sometimes not stay the way you set it and interfere with the flapper. So a little trick that I do is, normally I'll take, this is what I usually use, any kind of plastic that's about the right thickness. This one here is just perfect because I'll slide it in here. I'll cut it the same width as the width of the tank, and which I've already done. I've got one piece here. What I'll do is I'll put the handle in here, and I'll slide this in from the back over the front. Slide the toilet in so it catches right on the flat edge of the handle piece. Sometimes I use one, sometimes I use a second shim to go on the top. Now, it doesn't have that, it won't move back and forth. Put the flat side toward the toilet. That's my preference. Push it in. Nice and snug. Doesn't move. And then when you turn it, it doesn't